Hey, what's up? Hope you can hear me. So, I want to provide you an update on the LLM knowledge base from the previous video. So, I've been busy during this Easter. Hope you had a nice time, but I couldn't resist and simply kept moving on with the concept and evolved it into something more usable. I think it is at the moment. So, right now, as you can see, my wiki scaffold looks like this. We have number one folder, which is raw, it's data ingestion. Number two is wiki, it's synthesizing layer that LLM modifies. So LLM basically reads the indexes that are compiled. We have scripts and compile wiki script that compiles the raw inputs into a wiki scaffold so that it's easily accessible to the LLM, the data we ingest. So that's the whole point. And then we have derived and concepts folder, which are basically LLM outputs based on the contents it reads from the raw indexes. Yeah. Hope it makes sense this way. Then we have the number three artifacts. This is basically the output of let's say output documents, output projects, new artifacts that are produced as a result of this reasoning. So I think one more thing is that we have nested context possibility here. This means we can basically go here and see contexts folder, and here you can see I have free with tag and sustainable UI contexts, which are basically the same structure as the one you see at the top, which is the root one. So basically the root one now represents my personal brand, and these two are nested contexts, which may or may not include the same raw data ingested into the wiki. So basically these are really like composable entities that can be nested within each other, and I think this is really helpful because you can practically open the agent at different level, or maybe at the root level, and tell it to reason at a certain level of context, but then it has also access to context above it or below if it has some nested raw data in context folder. So yeah, this is how it evolved, and basically I've been working like this on a couple of projects now, and keep refining this. So basically that's still Enrique Bradley's post I mentioned in the previous video. This is also an inspiration, but I'm giving it a certain degree of personal touch, let's say. So this is how I interpret the architecture he proposed, and I find it really interesting because as you just saw, it's composable, right? So let me open those two folders, and you can immediately see that the two folders are nearly identical. So we have nested context support, and then I can easily reference different memories, or let's say documents. Thanks for watching.